Welcome to Saturday Morning Coffee with Paul the Waterman. Well, we got some important news to share with you today. This is from the ColoradoSun.com. Colorado anglers and their families should strictly limit fish consumption from catches at popular lakes such as Chatfield Reservoir and Barr Lake because of increased risk of ingesting PFAs or forever chemicals. The State Health Department's fishing advisory map added new warnings for areas contaminated by PFAS variants or PFOs. The toxic chemical, which never breaks down in nature and can't be washed out, gather in flesh of common game fish like walleye and smallmouth bass. They also have a health advisory for mercury. Same situation, but now it's becoming greater in new light that the forever chemical contamination is not going away. And if it's in these major bodies of water, you can bet it's also in our drinking water. These same bodies of water are used by hundreds of thousands of residents being fed by municipalities. It's something that we really need to pay attention to, and you can take care of it with a point of use reverse osmosis by Water Pros. This is Paul the Waterman. Thank you.